Hey everybody, welcome back to 164land with another unboxing. This one is a little random assortment from Jimmy over at SURPLUSgoodies. All right, he's been keeping busy, so I actually ordered these direct from him. It wasn't a eBay purchase or a group purchase because he didn't put anything up this month, which is I'm okay with, you know, right? So you go, SURPLUSgoodies, Diecast, and more. Usually does a Tarmac Works pre-order and a Mini GT pre-order in one of the Diecast groups I'm a part of on good old Facebook there. And yeah, so usually when that comes out, it's like, give me one of everything. But recently I've kind of been more mindful of the things that I'm gonna add to my collection. I'm actually gonna try to thin out my collection relatively soon. All right, so first up here is the all-new Dodge Viper casting from Tarmac Works. It is a Lamley Group collaboration, but if I recall correctly, it doesn't really say Lamley Group on anything but the box. So this is the last generation GTS-R. I want to crack this open, but I'm just going to keep moving. So I'm very excited for that. Another one up is the Dodge van, the Ram 150 in the very cool teal color. It's similar to the Hot Wheels, right? Hot Wheels just came out with this Dodge last year as well. And the first edition color was similar to this. So another one, light green as they're calling it, that I'm very excited for. It's got the nice Watanabe wheels, right? Watanabe wheels. All right. And Mini GT, the Allen Man Heritage Edition, right? This is the Mini GT 4 GT, right? So this is the new one. It's got the number 16 there. Right? It's supposed to evoke the earlier Ford GTs, right, from the 60s. Allen Man being a very famous builder, right? Builder and racer. The red and gold. So let's see what else we got in this one. So again, like I said, there was no post on the Facebook group, so I just kind of went on his eBay page and saw what was new and requested kind of what caught my eye, right? So what else we have? We have the Bugatti Divo, right? Presentation version. So this one I believe is new. I don't think I have this one. Mini GT has been making a lot of Bugattis, so it's tough to keep up, right? They have the that really wild looking one. The I don't remember the name of it. It doesn't matter. It's even wilder than that one. Then we have the S2000, the Mugen in Monte Carlo blue, right? So this one is similar to other ones. And this is where I'm going to have a problem when I go back through my Mini GTs and kind of wean the collection a bit. Because how many blue S2000s do you need, right? But Mini GT's smart, like a lot of manufacturers, so they'll make the Mugen edition, right? So then it won't just be blue. It'll have different wheels. It's got a spoiler on the back. It might have a carbon fiber hood. So, of course, it's a variation. You got to collect them all, right? It's the whole purpose of collecting. Anywho, next up, Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5 16 Evolution 2, number 20 from the 1991 DTM Zack Speed car, driven by Michael Schumacher. That's interesting. So very cool colors, white and green there. Cool. And it feels like I got one more in here. Do I remember which one it is before I pull it? No. Ah, that's right. I got the LB Silhouette Works Lamborghini Aventador GT Evo in white. So this body kit is a little different than the other ones. It doesn't have the spoilers kind of all one piece here, as you can see. So I wanted to see what it was all about. Left-hand drive, pretty neat. All right, so there you have it. This is this random assortment from Jimmy at SURPLUSgoodies. You can find them on eBay under the seller name SURPLUSgoodies. All right, so thanks for viewing. Check out my other videos, like and subscribe, all that nonsense, like I said before, and we'll catch you on the next one.